Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I got these beautiful, perfect, heatless curls. That's right, absolutely zero heat. I'm gonna show you step by step how I did it. So if you wanna see how I got my heatless curls to look like this, then stay tuned.
Making sure to brush everything out thoroughly so we don't have any knots. Parts never come out perfect, but it's okay because the part really doesn't make a difference. A little bit of mousse just to hold it in its place, and also makes it a little bit easier when it comes to sleeping with the rod. It holds it in place much better. Clearly I put a little bit too much in my hair. The star of the show today is the Heatless Curling Rod by Kitsch. I like to put a clip at the very top of my head, make sure it's evened, and then let's get started with parting, going around in circular motions. I don't think it really matters how much you part or how much you grab, but the tighter you wrap it, the better the curls come out, in my opinion. I love that this specific curling rod comes with these bands to hold the ends in together. I'm doing the same exact thing, wrapping it tightly around the satin curling rod. Not too uncomfortable to sleep with. I just tend to sleep on my back, just so that way the rod doesn't get loose overnight. Okay, let's go to sleep.
Alright you guys, so it's been about 10 or so hours since I put the rod into my hair. I even showered when I had it in, so I actually got it a little bit wet on the end, but I think we should still be good. And I like to just gently pull it away. As you can see, it kind of comes out on its own. Already beautiful, beautiful curls. Okay, one side is done. You can see they are so perfect. They are beautiful. So let's go ahead and do the other side. I have seen people do the way that they wrap the rod a little differently than just the, I feel like, traditional way, but honestly, they all pretty much come out looking the exact same anyways. Okay, oh my goodness, look at this curl. Wow, look at how perfect they are. And of course they're super coily right now, but as the day progresses, I've noticed that they start to fall and look way more natural. And the mousse has really held these two in the front together a lot. Maybe I put too much mousse on these guys over here, but I think it looks so perfect. And then of course, because the line is back here, we want to kind of fluff that out a little bit just to like blend it in. I kind of like to do it like this, so it kind of looks like I have a big wave near my forehead. But it definitely needs to fall down a little bit to make it look a little more natural. But I cannot even believe how beautiful my hair comes out with literally absolutely no heat. It is heaven sent. And the rod that I use is from Kitsch. I will actually link them down below in case you want to get theirs, but Amazon has probably a million of these also. And I have noticed that when I start to wrap my hair around it really tightly, it does start to kind of make the foam flatter, so maybe it's not as good of an idea to wrap it super tight, or just have a lot of them on hand so that way you can just kind of toss them as they start to get super flat. But this is such an amazing contraption. I'm so glad I got this. I actually did a collaboration with them maybe a year ago almost now, and I'm so happy I took this collaboration on with them because they sent me this, and this is so awesome. If you do end up trying it, please do let me know because I would love to know your experience on how the heatless curls went. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my heatless curls tutorial. I am loving getting back into doing videos like this, so if there's anything you want to see in terms of hair or makeup or any other kind of tutorials, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section below which kind of videos you would like to see from me, and I will put those together for you. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate your continued support, and I will be back with more videos soon.